Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Skull & Co. Neo grips. I got the white version, but they have different colors to cater to different folks. Now, why is it called the Neo grip? Is it because it's the one? Matrix reference. Now the top part, fart noise is classic. The top part of the grip is important because it keeps the whole grip in place. Right? If that breaks, then you're pretty much out of luck. One time while I was playing, I noticed the top clip come off and my grips began to slide down. That's a no-go. And it also can come off when you're switching your Joy-Cons. And one thing that I noticed is just the fact of how poor the latch system is. If you have the Switch case that was released with the original Nintendo Switch from Skull & Co., you'll be happy to know that it actually fits the Nintendo Switch Oled as well. Even though the Nintendo Switch Oled is just a little bit bigger, you'll be happy to know that it still fits. Tight. It's a tight fit. It's a snug fit. What's cool is that you can switch the color grips with these. And I prefer these purple grips with the Neo white. The white Neo grip case that I got, because purple is my favorite color, and I think it goes well with this white. I also have these Halloween special orange and purple grips that I got from Skull & Co. What do you think? Do you like the purple, white, or orange and dark purple combination? It comes with 3 different types of grips. It comes with the large grips, the pistol grips, and the small grips. And I want to share my philosophy on what these grips are meant for. Now, this isn't official, but this is what my opinion is officially. The large grips are for those of you who have big hands. You know what they say about guys and girls with big hands? They have bigger hearts. Now, they also are for those who like the original console controller feel, the large grips. Because if you play, for example, the PS5, here, I have an example. Ba-bow, ba-bow. You see these large grips? That's kind of what the large grips of the Nintendo Skull & Co. large grips offer. The pistol grips give you this kind of control. Where you can kind of, and if you use these fingers, you can kind of do double tap. Ooh, smash, smash. You know? And these small grips are if you like the original Nintendo Switch feel. See? You get the small grips and you apply them. And now you have this extra grip to it, but it's still compact and small that you can even put it in your pocket if you wanted to. It won't fit all the way, but you could put it in your pocket. So overall, I want to say that it's a sturdy construction. This top thing right here comes off too easily. This top thing. Okay, my okay, I'm gonna hide my face so you can see. It has such a weird, like, barely any latch to it. And it's supposed to just go here and hold the whole case together. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you don't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. If you don't want to hit anybody, don't hit any button. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button, and then you will get more of my content. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have any questions, did I say that already? Hit me up with the questions. I love questions. Give me questions. I want to answer. I want to answer these questions. And I guess that's it. You know, this is me signing out. Peace.